gang. I know I've been missing in action for a minute. Like I said, man, I've been going through a lot of different things, man. I'm always going through something. Aren't we all, though? But, yeah, I'm going through a lot of different things, man. And as you've already figured, I'm not doing Turo anymore. You know, it's for some people it's not for. And it's not for me. So, that's what that title is about. And if I even titled it that, I'm not sure, because a lot of you all are here for the E60, and I want to give you E60 content. But again, I got so much going on. I was supposed to be at jury duty today. I got off at the last second. But anyhow, that's a whole other story within itself. Ain't even worth talking about. The bottom line is, I have started ordering stuff for the E60 because I know you guys want to see it. I'm not even sure about YouTube, man. YouTube ain't paying. I just be putting this stuff online, you know, because I enjoy making content. You know, man, I've been doing this for years, and you know, I don't get the likes, I don't get the views. So you know, essentially I'm just doing this for myself because I don't have the support it takes to put money into these videos to, you know, I'm monetized, but again, I'm not getting any, you know, I ain't getting no bread for this, man. So, you know, it's like, what's the point? So I will, you know, if I drop, you know, some videos, I drop some videos. If I don't, I don't. And, you know, that being out of the way, what was that? Oh, Mustang. Be careful, buddy. See that? Y'all saw that? See? The Mustangs. Anyhow, back to what I was saying. Yeah, man. Yeah, I've started ordering parts for Lupita for the E60, and I'm just, you know, I'm working on so much, man. You know, Butter is in the shop. We thought she was ready. You know, you guys already saw that she was at Noise for Toys at my old partner's shop. She's just about ready. There was a couple of last minute things that, you know, threw a monkey wrench in the plan, so she's not fully ready. But the 850, I'm man, it's a lot, man. It's a lot. We're gonna take this one thing at a time. We'll address the 850 in the next episode. Right now, this is the E60. Look at that dude, boy. What the blood clot? Yeah, in this episode is gonna be about one or two things. It's either the E60 or my new job, or maybe both. Look at that view. Blood clot. Alright, so I guess on this ride home from work from my new job, let me just address, you guys have seen clips of my new job. So I'm working for my boy G Money. He has a company that cleans boats and RVs only. So we detail boats and RVs. So that's my new job. To nip that in the bud, I don't need to make a long story longer. So I will tell you, Turo is dead. And reason being is because it just didn't go right for me, man. I didn't make any money. The chick that I thought was holding me down, you know, she pocketed money. I only got paid one time. I need to put her punk ass on blast too, though. But I'm no longer doing Turo. It just ain't work out for me. So all those videos that you know, you guys have seen, I got paid one time from that, and I got a whole bunch of problems with my cars from renting them out, because people don't treat your cars the way they treat their cars. So to me, it's not worth it, man. You know what I mean? I got rid of all those cars, and for what? Because it's a headache. So I'm starting all the way over, like you've seen. If you have been following and paying attention, I'm starting all the way over. There's only a select few cars that are going to stay in the fleet, and that's this one, Lupita, the BMW E60. Butter's never ever going anywhere, and that's it. So we are starting from the ground up, and we are building a new fleet. So, oh, and the BMW 850 is not a CSI like, you know, the person who had it before me. He badged it up to look like a CSI, but it's not. It's an I. So that's another story, but you guys will get that story in the next episode. Oh boy, it's a funny one. But just so you know, I'm holding on to the 850 as well. All right, so as you guys can see, Lupita has been neglected. Her headliner is starting to come off. So guess what? I'm going to have the interior redone. That's a little secret. Keep that between us. I have to cut this because I don't want to pull this out and then the airbag go off in my face. But I'm cutting this off. Also, if you didn't notice, my cup holder is on the blink. So I'm about to order a new cup holder. We're going to get it together, yo. We're going to get this all together. For those of y'all who've been wondering, Nisa is also staying in the fleet. This is No Drama Baby Mama's car that she had when I met her. So I had this up for sale. Everybody just wants parts off of it. I'm not parting it out. So you know, I'm keeping it. Just like I'm keeping the 850. So I've been ordering parts for this as well. And we're gonna get it popping like the old days. We got our work cut out for us today. Oh my goodness. This just came back from burning, man. All the bugs, yeah. Ooh wee. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. I don't mean like, you know. Yeah, it don't look so bad. I cut it in here. So yeah, where's the thing at? Yeah, this came off. The airbag tag came off. Just gotta stick it back in there. And there it goes. Yeah, it don't look so bad. Don't look so bad. I mean, just don't look over there and then look over there. But other than that, it is what it is. But you see this? I think we're just gonna have this painted because I don't think this is, yeah, this ain't no more good, man. This ain't no more good. I don't think you can get this out. It's just gonna end up like this. Yeah, you know, that's not coming out. That's not coming out. I'm gonna just have to get the hood and the roof painted over. You know, nice try, but them headlights look good. Yeah, so I just got a new fender liner. It just came in. So the parts are starting to trickle in for the Nissan. And I'm going to call my boy David in Cali, who has a spot for me for the door. And I'm ordering a new door. Oh, yeah, we're going to get into this. You know what? Being that I'm not going to be doing this on a regular basis anymore, I'm going to just jumble up like 3 episodes into one. So check this out, y'all. Look at all these private jets. Today is the day. Well, actually, the fights are on right now. It's the Canelo Crawford fight. And I'm predicting Crawford to win by decision. Look at all these private jets that are here. Look at this. This is the private in my neighborhood. This is Henderson Executive Airport where all the private planes come in. Look at this. This is crazy. I ain't never seen so many private jets in here before. Look at that. Again, I got Crawford. Who y'all got? Leave it down in the comments. Viva America, cabrones! Viva America! Bud and the new. I told y'all. I told y'all. I told y'all.